वो डरते डरते पीछे हट गई।
She stepped back in fright. She stepped back in fright.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम पीछे रहो।
I want you to stay in the back. I want you to stay in the back.
उसके लिए छोटा सा तोहफा खरीदना मुमकिन है।
It might be possible to buy a little gift for her. It might be possible to buy a little gift for her.
इसने तोहफा देखा था।
She had seen the gift. She had seen the gift.
वो मुकम्मल तौर पर भूल गए कि उनके पास मेहमान हैं।
They completely forgot they had visitors. They completely forgot they had visitors.
मैंने सुकून के लिए जदोजहद की।
I struggled for composure. I struggled for composure.
एक औरत थकन की वजह से बेहोश हो गई।
A lady fainted because of exhaustion. A lady fainted because of exhaustion.
मैं इस बार तैयार हूँ।
I am prepared this time around. I am prepared this time around.
वो एक चट्टान के पास खड़ा था।
He was stationed next to a rock. He was stationed next to a rock.
आपको इस बारे में पता होना चाहिए।
You should know about this. You should know about this.